that the deal?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm gonna. Let's see. What are?
Doug, I got a good,
145 and 150.
I got good pictures of it.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Let me get one more.
Fahrenheit. Yeah.
How hot was it?
The highest I saw these was right at 195, 200. But again, I think these are only this deep, so I probably got that much soil. So I'm really getting through that layer of prickly pear pads and just into the top of the food pack probably. So
what's the reading?
145 and 150 right now.
That's above your magic line.
It is. It's right in there. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Very good, Doug. Way to go.
It's been a while since I thought about it. Oh yeah,
Here, let me move the trowel and I'll
that was the basics of
excavate it.
modern display.
Sure, give him the little one.
Yeah, well, he opened up. He said he's opened up another campground. I mean, I don't know where, if it's in Hondo or outside.
Doug,
I think he's
do you think you could slide a little bit to your left so the picture?
Oh sure, yeah. Here.
We already have that one.
You get some good pictures.
Somebody cheated, so but it should make it easier.
It looks like a cotton textile with blue dye on it.
What's this green dye?
What it pink when it went in?
I think it's all the same.
Yeah, it's warm. It's warm.
Put your hand on the towel or is it too hot? Being an aims to distinguish
You want me to spread this out?
another and when
Yeah,
please. It's like this.
Megan, how hot is the towel? Is it warm?
This is not that one.
Neil,
Yes?
is that pretty hot there? The soil?
It's pretty warm.
Warm. It's warm, not as warm as I thought it would be.
We're going to have crunchy potatoes?
We still have your thermometer available. We'll stick it in deeper and see what
Yeah,
it
let's
is.
let's try it out.
Oh, yeah, it's good. You're fine, you're fine.
See if we can.
We're
See if we can get.
we're sliding over here.
Watch the
I
spice.
can't flip the water. It's the same thing.
Not getting in a.
So that's just the padding.
This is just not poking through.
Come on, oh, can you see
Oh,
that?
there we go.
It's not changing much.
Mine is changing a little bit.
It's not.
Isn't it nice? I know.
It's hard to
I'm going through too many layers.
Yeah.
Feels cool.
So, you know.
Mine's still just that 150.
Have a good
Yeah.
It's like, oh, cool.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, see if you can find the edge over there.
So it's, yep.
Let's just pull it off.
Doug, we need a photo op, please.
Okay, yep.
Oh, good. Yeah, I can see.
Those are definitely cooked.
Those smell
Yeah, we're gonna try them too.
Oh, cool. Yeah, they do.
The little, get the white plates.
Silly's poking in there.
only the finest.
It's oozy goozy.
So they burning your fingers?
Yeah, here, let's see. Is that one good? Yeah, put that one on one. Somebody wants to definitely cut the outer skin away so that nobody gets those lockets. But
Answer.
slice it. Oh, we're just trying to get the skin off because the skin would be edible, but I don't want anybody eating any rockets. So we're just trying to peel off the area, slice it, and cut it up. Well, I can tell already that this is not as hot and steamy as most of them I have done before. And I don't know if I had too much packing material in the bottom.
I think the blanket may have caused some.
It could have. That could be an issue. It's hotter down in here.
Looks like a cooked sweet potato.
Sweet potato looks like it's done.
Oh yeah, the food I'm pretty sure is going to be done. Okay, let's see.
Careful, they may fall apart.
Yeah.
Can you grab the side over there? We'll just carry the whole thing over to the table.
Doug, could you just leave it right
Oh yeah, yeah, okay. You want to open it up? Yeah.
Aren't we silly?
Uh-huh.
Got a new tie-dyed towel. Look at the stains and dyes.
Do we create a new one? A new color?
Are they soft?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, this is sort of some half-baked. Very good.
Lay it right on the table.
Look at that one that got half cooked and didn't get cooked.
Which one?
On the side right there.
Oh, over here?
Right here. Right there.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah,
That one stayed live.
that's the half cooked. This is a half baked operation.
Very good.
Half baked like nuts. Oh.
Oh.
Send it back.
The half-baked.
Yeah.
Okay, here's one of the bottom prickly pear pads. We're seeing some charring on it.
Oh, yeah.
Probably enough to get little pieces of it preserved.
You get these great pictures, but
Hold it up.
That one's got lots of residue oozed out on it.
Side.
Yeah. So much.
In an ugly sort of way.
Yeah.
I didn't say that.
Oh yeah, there's another good one.
It's even got the
It's even-
pattern of the rocks on it.
Yeah, it's even got limestone on it. So
Archaeologically, would never see that.
You want to take all those off?
oh no, maybe not. I just want to see if the rock's cracked. But look at, there's.
Once it's opened up, we want pictures.
Okay. We'll get it. Go ahead and get it open for you.
Or leave half.
Yeah, leave that half. And we'll just leave. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Yeah. It's chalk.
Chocked full of nourishment.
And Did you want one of the rocks out of this thing? Yep. Okay. You can have your pick of them. There's some good residue on them. Okay. It's not as hot as I thought it would be. It's warm.
Warm, but not scorching.
Yeah, not. I'm guessing my real heat was down in that second layer. I might have actually put too much.
And these are what were they?
Onion.